This is an example of a wrinkled ass dollar. Look at this shit. Came straight back up. Do this shit again. Watch this in the blood, bro. Bro, look at this shit. God damn, man. Shit. Fucked up ass pop machine, real low. Blood. Look at this shit. You say no children under the age of 11 can use this machine by themselves. The fuck? Get in there. Shit. Bro, what the hell, bro? You gonna be here all goddamn day? Shit. Man, fuck it. Damn, just using my damn other dollar. Shit. Sick of this shit, man. Damn. Shit. Sold out. What the fuck? Shit. God damn. Don't make no sense, real low.